first, figure out in which project do you need it. First, go to the project dashboard, then hover over the project where you want to activate the plugin. A three-dot menu will appear and click there on Settings. Next, on the Plugins tab, there you will find all available project plugins, all deactivated by default. Now click on the plugin you want to activate, in this case the Transcribe plugin. Please read the terms of services before you activate the plugin, because while activating the plugin you accept those terms of services. On the right side beneath the title and the description you will find the toggle switch to activate. Click on the toggle switch to change the current status from gray to blue. Gray means the plugin is deactivated, blue is the plugin is activated.